In my opinion, I think it's a lot more fun learning the ABCs with Play-Doh. This is the letter A. A. This is the letter B. B sounds like this. B. This is letter C. Letter C makes the sound k, k, k. This is the letter D. Letter D makes the sound D. Here's the letter E. Say it one more time. E. This is the letter F. That's F. And here's G. G. The letter H. H. Here's the letter I. Let's all say it together. I. Here's the letter J. J. That's J. Here's the letter K. K. That's K. And this is the letter L. L. That's how L sounds. Here's M. M. This is letter N. N. Here's O. Letter O. This is the letter P. P. That's P. Here's the letter Q. What letter is this? Q. This is letter R. R. That's R. Here's the letter S. S. That's the S sound. This is letter T. T. That's what T makes. Here's the letter U. Say it with me. U. This is the letter V. V. That's how V sounds. And here's the letter W. 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 This is the letter X. Say it one more time. X. Here's the letter Y. Again. Y. And this is the letter Z. Z. That's how Z sounds.